The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter SVD 1010 by Trimo is not just a van, it's a symbol of luxury on wheels. At first glance, it may resemble a standard Sprinter, but a closer look reveals a vehicle that has been completely transformed to meet the standards of VIP travel. Every inch of its design speaks to elegance, precision, and innovation. As the automatic sliding doors open, you're greeted by soft ambient lighting and the subtle aroma of premium leather. The interior is a seamless blend of technology and comfort. Rich leather upholstery lines the reclining captain chairs, which are fully adjustable, ventilated, and feature built-in massaging systems. Each seat is wrapped in fine stitching, with plush armrests and leg support, allowing for hours of uninterrupted comfort whether you're on a short trip or a cross-country journey. The cabin layout is intelligently designed, offering privacy and luxury in equal measure. A central control console allows passengers to adjust lighting, temperature, window shades, and media at the touch of a finger. Everything is smart, responsive, and intuitive. Behind tinted privacy glass, the vehicle is equipped with a high-end multimedia entertainment system. A retractable 43-inch UHD smart TV takes center stage, paired with a surround sound system that delivers cinema-quality audio. Whether you're holding a virtual meeting or watching your favorite movie, the audiovisual experience is immersive and crystal clear. For business professionals on the move, the SVD 1010 doesn't disappoint. Fold-out worktables emerge from the side panels, complete with USB ports, wireless charging stations, and integrated power outlets. The Wi-Fi connectivity ensures you're never out of reach, even when traveling through remote areas. The attention to detail continues with handcrafted wooden accents, LED-lit storage compartments, and hidden beverage coolers. The minibar is discreetly built into the side panels and is fully stocked, offering cold refreshments on demand. Subtle lighting elements run along the ceiling and floor panels, creating a calm and sophisticated atmosphere, adjustable to your mood or setting. A partition wall separates the driver's cabin from the VIP lounge, ensuring total privacy. This divider also features a touchscreen intercom system, allowing communication with the driver without breaking the serene atmosphere inside the lounge. The interior is also soundproofed, eliminating road noise and creating an oasis of silence and relaxation. When it comes to climate control, the Sprinter SVD 1010 offers dual-zone air conditioning with purified air circulation. This ensures that the cabin maintains a comfortable environment, regardless of outside weather conditions. The air is filtered, cooled, and evenly distributed, making the van suitable for both warm and cold climates. Safety and functionality have also been elevated. Trimo has integrated state-of-the-art surveillance systems, including interior and exterior cameras, GPS tracking, and remote locking via a secure mobile app. Hidden storage compartments provide an extra layer of convenience for valuables or important documents. Even the flooring is custom, featuring anti-slip, noise-dampening materials, and an optional underfloor heating system for colder environments. All interior finishes are